Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the volume indicator on TradingView. Volume is a crucial tool that shows how many shares or contracts are traded over a specific period. High volume means many participants are active, confirming price moves. Conversely, low volume suggests less interest, which can signal a lack of conviction behind a price trend or a potential reversal. Understanding this basic concept is your first step. To add the volume indicator, simply navigate to the Indicators menu at the top of your TradingView chart. Search for volume and click to apply it. You'll see bars at the bottom of your chart. Typically, green bars represent volume when the price closes higher than its open, while red bars show volume when the price closes lower. This visual cue helps you quickly gauge market sentiment. Volume is powerful for confirming price action. For instance, if a stock's price is rising on increasing volume, it suggests strong buying pressure and confirms the uptrend. However, if prices are rising but volume is declining, it could be a warning sign of a weakening trend or a potential fake-out. Similarly, a significant volume spike at a key support or resistance level often precedes a price reversal. For more advanced analysis, try combining volume with other indicators like moving averages or RSI to get a more comprehensive view of market dynamics. Pay close attention to volume spikes during price breakouts. High volume here often confirms the breakout's strength and sustainability. Remember, volume is a critical piece of the puzzle for any trader. And speaking of upgrades, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.